Hi guys, this is Shrey from Periodic Cuber and I'm finally back. Now, first of all, thank you so much for staying with me even when I did not upload for such a long time. I guess it's been an year, and I'd firstly really like to thank all of you guys. And well, now for the reason. Well, actually, I had been really busy with my exams previously, and but now I'm finally back, and I'll try to upload pretty frequently now. So, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to disassemble and then assemble your cube, any 3x3 Rubik's cube. Here, I'll be using the YuXin pillow cube. Well, the procedure is same of assembling and disassembling the cube. So guys, let's just start. Well, my cube is tensioned pretty tightly. Let me tell you before I start. But what you gotta do for disassembling is just turn the top layer of the cube 45 degrees and pop out an edge piece. Well, as I told you, my cube is tensioned pretty tightly, so it is gonna take me some time, I guess. But I'll be back once I do that. So here we go. Then simply pull out all the pieces. First you pull out the corner pieces, then the edge pieces, just like that. And then go ahead and disassemble the whole cube. Okay? Oh my. Well, it's fine. I'll pick it up later. Yeah, so there we go. So guys, for the first step in assembling the cube, you just take an edge piece. It does not matter what color you take. Here I am taking the white and blue edge piece, and just simply slide it the way I did here, just like that. Then you take another edge piece and just slide it, just like that. Yeah, remember to take the edge piece of the same color. Then do the same, take an edge piece and slide it. What your goal is to make a cross. Here we go. Here we've made a cross. Guys, let me tell you that assembling a 3x3 is pretty similar to how we solve a 3x3 Rubik's cube using the layer by layer method or the beginner's method. Now the first step was to make the cross, and the second step is to make the first layer. For doing that, just take the corner pieces of the same side and put them just like that. Do the same for all the four sides. Guys, the next step is putting together the second layer, and for that you just take an edge piece of the matching color and put it between the center pieces, and yeah, do that for all the four sides. So guys, for the final step, just take the edge piece of any color, it does not matter which color you take, any color, and simply put that piece. I'd recommend putting two edge pieces of two opposite colors, just like that, and then you put all the corner pieces just like that. Put all the four corner pieces. And then simply turn the top layer of the cube 45 degrees and put the edge piece. So that's it guys, and I'd really like to thank you guys once again for staying with me even when I did not upload for so long. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for that. And yeah, thank you as well for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, if you have any suggestions or um, any advice for me so that I can improve my channel, then feel free to leave it in the comment section below and I'll definitely acknowledge it. Thank you guys.